Hi and hello everyone. Today in this video I intend to offer some insight on an ongoing issue with the Firebase Arduino. So people have reported that they were not able to use the Firebase.set and Firebase.get property in the same program. So you can go through this issues page over here. Some of them have been closed and some of them are still open here. So I was digging around and based on my digging what I found was that you could use both Firebase.set and Firebase.get or the stream in the same program, provided you use the Firebase.set property within the void loop. So if you create some other function or try to call the Firebase.set from within the void.setup, void setup or any other function, it would result in the crash of the Firebase stream. That is what I found. And if you directly list or call the Firebase.set within the void loop, what it would do is it would constantly update the Firebase database, with the result that you would exhaust your quota in no time. So what you actually need to do is you need to create a marker or a flag and use this flag to set the Firebase values. So what I have used is I have used a boolean flag or a boolean marker here called Alexa change, and if it is true, then the values are being updated in the Firebase database. If it is false, then it just skips this part and proceeds further. So you might also want to call this Firebase.set property ahead of where you start checking your stream. So these are my thoughts on calling Firebase.set and Firebase.get in the same program. It works for me. I have an upcoming project, the details of which I will upload shortly. So it works for me and I hope that it works for you as well. This video is just to provide some insight and clear things up so that people get benefited. Thank you guys. See you again next time.